Hello everybody. So today I have a video for if you're trying to troubleshoot an issue in a 2012 Camry, probably any Camry from that generation, where the air conditioner is not working. So you can see I have the AC on and the lights and everything come on. If you use the controls, it changes, it basically works as you would expect it to, except the air coming out is not cold. So what you'll want to do is come around to the engine. Now, before you even buy a canister of R12A top-up, put your hand on the low side of the system here. This is big pipe here. This is actually where you would top up. And if the AC is running, this pipe should get pretty cold. So it's not getting cold, so no gas is passing through here. That's because the compressor is not coming on. And one way you can tell is this fan right here should be running. It's not. So we know that the pump is not running. As you can see down here, this is the flow sensor of the air conditioner. This part uses a magnet, and then that tells the AC to come on when the AC switch is on in the car. That magnet wears out and eventually stops telling the AC to come on. So what you can actually do is, I've got this rare earth magnet bar. I'll have some links in the description to both these magnets and that sensor if you want to replace that. I might actually do that myself eventually anyways, but this magnet trick will get you by for the time being. I read online that some other people did this and they drove for years with the magnet. So what I'm going to do is try to stick this magnet down on that sensor on the passenger side of that ring basically. So let's try to very carefully. As you can see, as I get my hand closer to the sensor here, the AC actually came on. Okay, so I've got the magnet vertically in that ring there. It's touching the snap ring, again on the passenger side of the AC compressor. So if we come around, don't have a thermometer or anything to show you that it's working, but the air coming out is definitely, yeah, I can tell the AC is on. It's much cooler. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'll have some links in the description of this video for the magnets I used, as well as the actual part if you want to go ahead and try to replace that. It's not, from what I saw, it's not very hard. You just need those snap ring pliers to let go of the snap ring, and you can pull the sensor out and replace it, put the new one back in, and then put the snap ring back on to hold it in place. That's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful for you, and thanks for watching.